Alright, what's going on, guys? I want to show you the Husky 7 set tool chest in matte black. It's a 3-piece shipping crate. I got number 1 out. We're gonna show you how to get it done in number 2. We just want to make sure everything looks nice. So in here, plenty of space. You can plug all your cords in, get stuff charged. Everything's all locked in, nice and snug. You got adjustable legs in case you got some grade issues over there. So everything's looking good. And this one is about a 2-foot rod that you stud in. This slips right on top. Then you lock it into each other, nice and snug. Everything opens good. Everything's lockable. This bottom one here too. This one actually can just pull out. It's not locked into anything. And then we're gonna show you how to set up the table here as well. So everything's nice and measured. So now we're gonna open this baby up, show you guys what's inside, and then we'll see the finished product. It's about 2 feet. We actually did this one way too nice, but I want to make sure that I get 2 studs, so there's actually going to be a gap here. So we're going to line it in such a way that this can be tight, but since this slides, it doesn't matter. So we're going to slide this to be flushed here on any of the 2 studs, and then bring this over. So that's the goal there. All the way against the wall.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh, chill.